Hello and welcome back to Sweet Acre Koi Farm. This is Chris. Today we're going to do some GoPro footage of the pond so we can see how everything looks down there. Okay, we're going to go back out to the pond. Get my gloves on because I can't get the phone to record when I don't have my glove on. Alright. And today I got my GoPro, my handy little GoPro. So I'm gonna see if I can get some footage of what we're looking at down there. Alright, I was already in here once. There's the babies. They're all hanging right here. I fixed this. It's 43 degrees, 3 feet down. The probe that's hanging right here, yeah, it popped out for some reason. Don't know why. But that was what my issue was the other day. So, we have 52, 54, 56 degrees in the tunnel because the sun's out, which is good. And then we've got 41, I believe, yeah, 41 down there by the koi. And we're gonna go ahead. I'm going to put you guys right there for a second because I don't want it falling down into the pond. Hopefully you're all right. I'm gonna turn on this GoPro. There we go. We're recording with the GoPro now. So I'm going to dip it down in here. I'm gonna see what I could see. And you guys can watch me. You see the GoPro down there? I'm gonna see what I could pick up as far as what the bottom of the pond actually looks like. How much... Here, we're gonna set you guys. Yeah, you won't fall in. There we go. I'm gonna set you guys right there. Whoop. Yeah, I'm spinning the GoPro around. There we go. I want to see what the fishies look like, if I could see them. Looks like I'm catching something on the GoPro. I just want to see if they're healthy. I want to see. Here, let me do this. Let me do this. There. Maybe you guys can see more if you're right there. I'm going to extend this out a little bit, give myself a little bit more reach. So I want to see if I can really get a good shot of these guys. I can't tell what I'm getting, but I want to get some kind of a shot. Yeah, maybe that'll help you guys if I do that. Yeah, I'm just trying to get a good look at the koi to see what kind of condition they're in. Check on them, check on the algae situation in the pond, you know. Stuff like that. That's why I'm doing this. Let me see. Well, hopefully I'm picking up footage. Because I really do want to see what's going on in this pond. I want to see how much algae is going on. Looks like they're moving away from where I'm at, so I don't know how much more footage I'm going to be able to get. Oh, there we go. I'm going crooked. Okay. I just want to get a good overall view of what's going on down here. I don't know how much I'll be able to see. Okay. All right, that should be plenty. That should give me some kind of information on what I'm looking for. All right, let me pull this up. Shut that off. There we go. Okay, we're going back in. Hopefully we got some good footage. And then I could be able to tell what's going on with the toy. I'm going to close this up. I'm going to see what I can see. And you guys can watch. See the GoPro down there? I'm going to see what I can pick up as far as what the bottom of the pond actually looks like. How much we're going to check you guys. Spinning the GoPro around. There we go. I want to see what the fishes look like, if I can see them. Looks like I'm catching something on the GoPro. I just want to see if they're healthy. I want to see. I want to see if I can really get a good shot of these guys. Can't tell what I'm getting, but I want to get some kind of a shot. Yeah, maybe that'll help you guys if I do that. I'm just trying to get a good look at the koi to see what kind of condition they're in. Check on the algae situation in the pond, you know. Stuff like that. That's what I'm doing now. Hopefully I'm picking up footage. Because I really do want to see what's going on in this pond. I want to see how much algae is going on. Moving away from where I'm at. I think I'm going to be able to do it. Oh, there we go. I'm going crooked. Okay. I just want to get a good overall view of what's going on down here. I don't know how much I'll be able to see. Okay, well that gave us a little bit of information on what we were looking at down there. The koi look okay. The babies look okay, which made me really happy. And we knew that there was going to be a little sand and clay at the bottom from how bad our water was when we first started the pond earlier this spring. So we're going to take our pond vac out in the spring and see what we can get up out of there. But the algae wasn't that bad. I thought it was going to be a lot worse than what it was. Like I said, this is a new pond, so I expected the absolute worst, and I was actually quite happy. But we will do the juvenile koi pond sometime this week, and we'll get that footage up for you. But I hope you enjoyed it. I did. I'm glad that I went ahead and did it, because I was very curious to know what was going on down there. So if you like the content, please click like. If you're not already a subscriber, think about subscribing. Click that notification bell, and you won't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you so very much for watching. I'm freezing, so I'm going in. And until next time, everybody stay sweet. Thanks for watching.